Did you see this? What? Does it suit me?
It's so 2020.
Yeah, it's very last year, but. I'm going to visit Sandy and Danielle, who want a family room makeover. Now, they have 2 sons who are at the age where they can appreciate nice things. So as a family, they're looking for a space where they can celebrate their love of movies and music. And if I'm gonna renovate this room in a day, I'm gonna have to break some records. Literally.
When we moved in, we didn't really know how we were going to use the house. We've been here 7 years now, and that seems to be the room we all congregate in, and we really didn't design it to be a room where people want to spend a lot of time in, so we'd like to change that.
It is a problem room for us, but a main hub for our family, and we're looking to update it, make it more comfortable, casual, functional, so it needs some help.
So this is our space. This is our family room.
This is a huge room.
It's a big room.
Wow.
We love music, we love movies. I made an investment when we first moved into the house into putting some in-wall speakers in and expecting that we would sit here and just do that. The room doesn't invite that. So we're set up for it, but unfortunately we tend to find other places to go and do, and so ultimately I would love for it to be a space where everyone wanted to be together in the same place. We haven't built that here.
I get it. It's a slightly awkward space because it is so large and it can feel like something's missing no matter how much stuff you put in here.
Yeah.
Definitely coming into your home, you've got some beautiful things, you've got a great layout, like the bones are ready for it. So we can tackle this in a day.
Awesome.
And you're probably gonna get put to work, is that okay?
Yep.
We can handle that.
Yeah, you think you can handle it?
I think so. Yeah.
It's not on your iPad though. All right, well then let's get to clearing it out.
All right.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna bring my team in and we're gonna get to work.
Yep. Do it.
All right, you get the other side of the sofa.
There, yeah.
You got that?
Charlie?
Lift it right up. Honestly, I've only had 1 coffee today. To get 1 coffee per cup. We'll do the applied moldings, which will give us the full sense of a full chimney here. If it feels like it goes right to the ceiling, it'll fill the room more and anchor everybody. It'll be more inviting to sit around and gather. So we paint this out.
Paint it out.
Get it to go gray. Again, sort of pulling the weight of the room in over here would be nice. Then the mantle itself, I think everything gray.
Yes.
Let's let the painters get to work. We'll start trimming out, so as soon as they're done, pop, 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 applied moldings, paint this out, then we can start filling the space. All right, I have a small project for you guys. Since you baked these cookies, and they are delicious.
I'm glad you like them.
Yeah, they were amazing. But you're gonna bake something different today.
All right.
Records. So we're gonna repurpose these records and incorporate them in the design of your space.
Okay.
Here's what we're gonna do. We got the oven preheated to 200 degrees. We are going to place the records, then we're gonna put it in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes tops.
Okay.
The record will soften up and it will start to sink. We will take a slightly larger bowl. We'll push it down and hopefully it'll take the shape of a bowl.
Right.
With it, it'll have lots of ripples and it'll be kind of abstract, which is cool.
Very artistic.
But you like music?
Absolutely.
And we're looking for pieces that draw people in, get them talking. This will be a conversation
very cool.
piece, right?
It's very cool.
Okay, I will leave you guys to creating the decorative bowls that we'll use in the design, and I'll be working just over there.
Beautiful.
Great. Okay.
One of the biggest challenges in this big empty family room that made it feel so cold is that there was really nothing drawing people in, anchoring the space, or warming it up. We are changing all of that. We have decided that this back feature wall is truly going to be a feature. We've doubled the artificial size of the fireplace by adding applied molding and a crown Now we're at least using a third of the back wall. Instead of having brown and beige that matched everything, we've actually painted out the travertine tile, which you can do. So the wall itself, it's got 3 different paint colors. The lighter gray on the travertine, which updates the fireplace area. The darker gray, which really accentuates the mantle, makes it feel grand, and then an updated gray, which is a mid-tone on the walls. As soon as we add in the furniture and the wood texture, this wall, entire thing, is gonna be a feature. Hello, I am your father, Luke. I feel the winds of change in this space. Let's get these shelves up. I'm gonna get the kids to help me with all these brackets. You boys ready to help?
Yep.
Yeah.
You ever used a drill before?
Yes.
He has. I don't think I have.
Perfect, then you've never made a mistake before.
Yes.
I've got these oversized brackets, so these are gonna go up on the wall. So the bracket goes on the bottom like this. Since you're gonna go first, pick up the drill. You're gonna hold that there. Slow and push down. Done. Done. Look at that. I ain't going anywhere.
There you go.
Done.
There you go.
Done. You guys got this. Why don't you guys put that on while I get the rest of the pieces?
That was fun.
Not bad, right? You know what? You tell them you've been working up here, and maybe this is the time to ask for a raise on your allowance.
Okay, I'll ask for $300.
What? I want to live here and get an allowance. Actually, that works out kind of perfectly. Okay. Yes. Great. Oh, yep, this is gonna work. I like a little bit of aggressive plants. Ah! Woo!
Well,
Off the record?
off the record.
For the record. Yeah. We beat the record.
Yeah!
Fastest family room makeover ever.
Wow!
You guys ready to check it out?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. Come on in.
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Did we surprise you or what?
It's incredible.
Not in my wildest dreams did I anticipate any of this.
So good.
I know it's a lot to take
Yeah.
in. I'm gonna walk you guys through it.
Yeah.
We put a fresh coat of paint on all of the walls in
Yes.
here. Originally, you just had the fireplace and the travertine, and it all kind of just blended. So what we did is we doubled the size of it, made it more substantial, took it right to the ceiling, and that's just applied moldings. The boys did help me put the brackets together for the shelves, and we got those up.
Like that makes the TV just not look like the only thing on the wall.
Exactly.
It's so much better.
And then we used the rug to anchor the space.
Yeah, beautiful rug.
It's great. I love it. And it makes the wood look so much nicer.
And we have the records that you guys melted over here, the vinyl. Finally, you're gonna be able to sit down and relax
Beautiful,
in the space,
yeah.
right?
Oh, I love it.
I think somebody's happy over here. Well, listen, I'm glad you guys like it. You can see you're already comfortable. All you need
Yes.
now is your music and your movies, and you guys
That's it.
are all set. Enjoy your new family room.
Thank you,
Thank you
Scott.
so much.
You're
Thank
very
you.
welcome.
Amazing.
All right,
Thank
guys,
you.
let me know about the allowance increase, okay?
Very nice.